Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Randolph, Cambria, Fox Lake, Friesland, and Astico. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 in the Warren area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.